Hi everyone, and welcome to this guide. Today, we are tackling a challenging but interesting project, replacing the motherboard in an HP Z2 Tower G9 with a different motherboard. This isn't just a simple swap for an identical board, we're talking about putting a standard, off-the-shelf motherboard into an HP case. This process comes with significant hurdles, and it's crucial to understand them before you start. First, why would you even consider this? Perhaps you want better CPU support, more RAM slots, specific PCIe configurations, or simply more flexibility than the original HP board offers. HP systems are generally built with proprietary components, meaning they are not always compatible with standard parts. This is the biggest hurdle. Let's break down the key considerations you'll face. First, physical compatibility is a major concern. The motherboard standoffs, which are the screw points that hold the board in place, are often custom designed in HP cases like the Z2 Tower G9. A standard ATX, micro ATX, or mini IDX motherboard might not align with these standoffs at all. You might find only a few screws line up, or none at all. This means you might need to drill new holes in your case, which requires precision and can damage the case if not done carefully. Next, consider the I/O shield. This is the metal plate that covers the ports on the back of your motherboard, USB, Ethernet, etc. An aftermarket motherboard will come with its own standard I/O shield, which will almost certainly not fit the custom cutout in the back of your HP Z2 Tower G9 case. You'll likely end up with an open gap, or you might need to fabricate a custom solution. Then, there are the front panel connectors. These include the power button, reset button, front USB ports, and front audio jacks. HP uses proprietary headers for these connections. A new, standard motherboard will have industry-standard pinouts. This means you will need to identify each wire from the HP case and map it correctly to the new motherboard's headers. This often requires custom wiring, adapters, or even sacrificing some front panel functionality, and it can be electrically risky if done incorrectly. Another critical point is the power supply unit, PSU. HP often uses proprietary PSUs. They might have unique form factors that won't fit a standard ATX power supply. Even if a standard PSU physically fits, HP power supplies sometimes use non-standard pinouts for the 24-pin ATX power connector or other connectors. This means your new motherboard might not receive power correctly, or worse, incorrect voltage could damage your components. You will likely need to replace the PSU with a standard ATX power supply that fits the case, assuming the mounting points allow it, and that provides enough power for your new components. Cooling solutions are also important. The original CPU cooler in your HP Z2 Tower G9 is designed for the original motherboard's CPU socket and mounting points. A new motherboard might have a different socket or different cooler mounting holes, so you will almost certainly need to purchase a new, compatible CPU cooler for your new CPU and motherboard. Finally, remember that installing a completely different motherboard means a fresh BIOS/UEFI environment. Your operating system, like Windows, will detect a major hardware change. This often requires a fresh installation of Windows or at least reactivation, and you will need to install all new drivers for your new motherboard's chipsets, audio, and network controllers. This project is not for beginners. It requires advanced technical skills, patience, and a willingness to troubleshoot and potentially modify your case. It's more like building a new PC inside an old shell than a simple component swap. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at replacing an HP Z2 Tower G9 motherboard with a different one. We hope this overview of the challenges helps you decide if this project is right for you. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tech guides and tips. Your support helps us create more content like this.